Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our Play Store because we have to install Dolby On from here. It is installed, so now we can open the app. Right here we can click skip, not now, no thanks. And now by clicking this button we can start audio recording with way better quality than default audio recorder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!